welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and if you already know who I am, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be showing you my favorites from 2017. I know it's late, but like, you know, stuff happens, and I'm going to be putting them on as I go, as I show you, as I talk about them. I'm just gonna get started, so yeah. First thing that I'm going to show you is the Anastasia Dip Brow and the Brow Wiz. I use these together because I like the way that this fills in my outer brow, like right over here. I think the Dip Brow is great to use when you're like going to the beach because it doesn't like come off like other brow products I've used before, like they've disappeared. So I just realized that I did not talk about the Brow Wiz. But the reason why I like the Brow Wiz is because it gives the illusion that I have hair in the inner corner of my eyebrow, and it also comes with a brush, so it's like more convenient to use if you don't have a brush to comb your eyebrows in place. And yeah, let's move on to the next product. And yes, I did do my eyebrows already off camera because I feel like I take way too long doing my eyebrows, even though they came out like poop. I take forever doing them. Next product is going to be the eyeshadow base. It's from Smashbox. I actually really like a lot of Smashbox's primers. I feel like they're really good and they make my makeup last a long time. I use this eyeshadow primer on the days that I'm going to go out. I know I'm going to be out late. Ooh, and a little goes a long way, guys, so you don't have to put a lot. This eyeshadow primer is good too because it does not crease during the day or the night, and I have some greasy eyelids, so y'all girl knows. So moving on to the eyeshadow, my favorite palette from 2017 has to be from Juvia's Place, and it's this one right here. I use this pink shimmery shade a lot, and all their shimmer shades are so buttery.
This is, oh girl, that is beautiful. Look at that.
So I do have 4 of their palettes, and I didn't get the ones that were more natural looking because I knew I wasn't going to wear them. So I'm going to be using the Magic palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to take that bone shade right here and put that all over my eyelid. You guys know I like to set the primer like that just to smooth it out. I'm going to drag this bit back here. Take this warm tone brown. I'm going to be buffing this out on my crease. That's so freaking huge. So now I'm going to take this shade. You can't really tell on camera, but it's like a really deep purple. So I'm going to be taking this purple shade and I'm going to be putting this in the outer corner. And I'm going to be building it up. And I'm going to go in the inner corner and start adding some of the shade in there. And there is a bit of fallout because with dark shades there's usually like fallout. My blending brush, and I'm going to start blending this on top. So I'm going to be using this purple that matches my nails. Okay, that is beautiful. I'm going to take a bit more of that dark purple and I'm going to just shape it up a little bit. I'm going to add more of the shimmer. I'm going to show you my favorite eyeliner that I loved using for 2017. and it's the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This eyeliner is so good to use if you want to do like a sharp wing, but the only thing is that it's not like super black. It does get like a little bit dull. I'm not gonna put eyeliner because I like how this looks without eyeliner.
And you say he's just a friend, oh baby please, you got to buy me. I'm pretty sure I'm not singing the right song, but I don't really care. Oh, you got what I need.
So for my primer, I really like the Smashbox one because it makes my foundation go on so smoothly and it takes away my pores. And I only put this where I have like pores and stuff. I don't put it all over my face because that's not what you're supposed to do. And I also like to apply it with my Prime Water from Smashbox. I feel like these two make my foundation look so good, especially because this refreshes my face and it makes my foundation look more like it's my skin. Oh yeah. So this is where I have my pores. I like to put it on my nose and my cheek right here, and also my chin has a little bit, and I like to smooth that out. So for my favorite foundation for 2017 be the All Nighter foundation from Urban Decay. The reason why I like this foundation is because it covers all my scars and all that, because it's full coverage. Also because it's waterproof. I love wearing this at night when I go out and I dance and I sweat and my makeup's still on, and I trust it for that. And also when I take pictures, it doesn't give me any flashback, and I love that because, girl, you know when you go out you want to be taking pictures with your girls. So I have a drugstore favorite, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is like my go-to foundation if like for a day-to-day base. I use this foundation like all the time. This is like my 4th, 5th, I don't know. And it's also buildable, so that's really good. I actually don't know if it has flashbacks because I mainly use this one in the day. I have to test that out. Favorite concealer has to be the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, like everyone else and their mother. Like I had this tube for a while, but I'm noticing that I'm gonna need another one. I'm gonna add a little bit like these. And you legit need a little bit. Like this is already a lot. It brightens my under eye and it does not crease throughout the day. So now I'm going to be showing you guys my all-time favorite bronzer. This is legitimately my favorite bronzer. I kind of need a new one already because it kind of broke. It's the Butter Bronzer from Physician Formula. I think there's like 2 shades, but they're not like really that different. I feel like this bronzer warms up my face perfectly. It's not like too much bronzer. Like it's like perfect. Like look at that. Wow. My favorite translucent powder has to be this one. It's from Laura Mercier. Okay, can't say that. I like to apply this with a wet beauty blender, and I feel like it makes my face look so good. It doesn't give me no flashback, which is great. Favorite highlighter has to be Becca. It's the one that looks like this. It has like that bright ass blush. Oh girl. Who came up with highlighter? Who invented highlighter? They should get an award. I'm going to show you the lashes that I've been using a lot for 2017, and I don't feel like I have a favorite lashes. Oh, actually I think I do. It's the Ardell 105s, I think. But I don't have any right now. I also use the Ardell lashes when I do more of a simple eye look because I think it looks more natural, but these I like to use when I do looks like this. I'm using Dodo lashes a lot when I do dramatic eye looks because I feel like it just makes the look complete. I want to show you guys another palette that I really been loving in 2017. It's legitimately one of my favorite eyeshadows. It's the Kat Von D Arculating palette. I forgot what it's called, but it's so pretty. Mine's like destroyed already inside, so don't mind it. Looks like this, guys. Oh my god, I don't know if y'all can see that right. Pretty. I love to use this as a highlight in my eyes, like up here and the brow bone in the inner corner. It legitimately makes the look so pretty. I'm gonna be using the ultraviolet, which is the purple one, and I'm gonna put this on top of my brow bone. Oh, it's so pretty. It almost looks like my shimmer shade in my lid. And I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. Girl, those are like high beams. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, I don't think y'all could see how good they look. Like, girl. My favorite lipstick, it has to be ColourPop. Their lipsticks are so pretty. They have so many different shades. I'm pretty sure you could find a shade for you if you just look on their website. They always have sales going on. They really like 0.0 and Mess Around. They're legitly almost the same color. Like, I didn't even know when I ordered them. So my favorite formula from the ColourPop collection lipstick stuff is the Ultra Stain lipsticks, because they feel more moisturizing than the matte. They have so many colors in their mattes, and I always find a matte shade that I really like. I usually get it, and I just put some chapstick and it's all good to go. I actually have two setting sprays that I like, and they're kind of really similar. So the first setting spray that I want to show you guys is from MAC, and it's the MAC Fix Plus, and everybody knows about it because it's an old setting spray that everybody loves. I just got it in 2017 and I've been using it a lot. As you can see, I'm halfway done with mine. It makes your foundation look like skin and more natural, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't look so powdery. The only problem is with this one is I don't like the spray because it like goes all over the place. It just feels like it's running down your face. It's like dripping. I feel like they need to change that. I don't really like that. The second setting spray is from Morphe. I actually really like the spray from this one because it like goes on like a freaking mist. Let me show you guys. Look at that. It just blends in everything nicely. So now I can move on to my mascara. I'm going to be using the Lash Domination from Bare Minerals. And I don't like to waste a lot of money on mascara because I feel like the full tube always dries out and I don't like to buy those. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I liked in 2017, and I'm sorry this video was so late. And I hope you guys come back next time for my next video. And yeah, bye!